Are you new to investing? Are you new to the stock market? Well, whether you're new or whether you've got $1 million portfolio, I'm going to show you how to get 2 free shares of stock to start yourself off. That's right, 2 free shares of stock valued up to $1,400. Absolutely free, no strings attached. This is not a drill. $0 and 0 cents will start your brand new portfolio today. And I'm going to show you how. Hello everybody, Silverpicker here, and welcome to the Silverpicker Squad. Now, today's video is a bonus video. That's right, because I am adding another video this week in addition to my usually scheduled programming. That's right, I already know what I'm posting later this week, so I wanted to make sure to get you this video because it's super important and it is a huge opportunity for every single person watching at home. Now, I know you're all interested in the preview, which I said you're getting 2 free stocks by watching this video, and that is absolutely true. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So, in last week's video, which you saw, as you know, I'm giving away a 1-ounce silver bar or coin every single week of the year. So in last week's video, if you've missed it, you can check it out over here. The entry criteria into the contest was to sign up for a 100% free account at Webull, which is a stock trading platform. It's totally free, no cost to enter the contest whatsoever, and if you're curious, check that out over here. But I wanted to tell you a little bit more about Webull and how awesome it is, because it is a phenomenal stock trading platform. So first off, what is Webull? Webull is a stock trading platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and many other financial instruments without paying any fees. So it's similar to Robinhood, which I've talked about before, which is also a great platform, but Webull I think is even better. So with Webull, you can buy and sell stocks without paying any fees. With traditional companies like TD Ameritrade or any of those companies like that, you normally have to pay a fee when you buy a stock and when you sell it, which especially if you have low volume trades, like maybe you're only just getting your feet wet with trading, you only want to buy $100 or $50 worth of stocks. If you have to pay a $7.99 fee when you buy it and when you sell it, it can really hurt your income and hurt your margins and basically make it not really even worth it. The great thing about Webull is that all you're paying for is the stocks. There's no fees whatsoever, and that is absolutely fantastic. So it's already worth using Webull just for the fact that it's free trading. But here's what I want to tell you about. 2 free shares of stock that you're going to get, which essentially all you have to do is click the link down below. If you click the link through my invite, you get 2 free shares of stock valued up to $1,400. You get one when you open the account, and then an additional one when you put your first $100 in. That is fantastic. And of course, I get rewarded too, so this is a win-win. If you want to help support my channel, that is a great way to do it, where you reward yourself and you reward me. So what else does Webull have to offer? So the first thing is that the actual platform itself is way more sophisticated than its competitors, like Robinhood, and it's just about as sophisticated as TD Ameritrade or Morgan Stanley or any of these other traditional trading platforms, which is phenomenal. So it can be as simple as you want. If you're brand new to trading, it can just be basic, telling you what the price is, what some of the other important metrics are, show you a chart showing you what the prices were over the past day, week, month, etc. Or it can be way more sophisticated with all sorts of different charts if you're really into stocks, and you can learn with it. But in addition to that, there are 4 things which I think sets it apart, which make it phenomenal. The first thing, they have 24/7 customer support, which means you can call them if you have a question about how something works on the platform, or if you have any other questions that you could possibly want to ask them. This is really something special. The second thing that's amazing is that you can also open up an IRA or Roth IRA account right in the Webull app. So if you haven't watched my video on IRAs or Roth IRAs, you need to watch it now, because it is the single best thing you can do for your future. I'm not kidding you, the best thing you can do for your financial future is in this video about the Roth IRA. And if you already watched that, you'll know why it's so awesome that on Webull, you can set up your IRA account along with your regular stock trading account and, of course, the 2 free shares that you'll get by using my link below. Phenomenal. So we've got 24-hour customer support. You can open an IRA or a Roth IRA, which is phenomenal. But there are 2 other things which I think makes it really special. And they're both community-based. They have a community tab on the actual app. What is that? That is people like you and me that are into stocks at various levels, people that are into making money, into investing, that can tell each other tips, thoughts, etc., and actually communicate within the app. It is really cool to be able to get general sentiment of ordinary people who are into stocks and see what they have to think. Not just about the guys that are sitting up in the tall towers writing their analyst reports. Because there is something valuable about seeing what regular people are thinking, because regular people also affect the markets. So I think that that is a amazing, super innovative feature that I've never seen on any other platform, and this is really special. The final thing that I think is so cool, which I think will appeal to a lot of you watching, because I know a lot of you out there have not really gotten their feet wet with trading. They've not really tried stock trading, usually because the barrier to entry is too high, it's too expensive, or they're afraid that they're going to lose money because they don't know what they're doing. Well, this last feature will alleviate all those issues. This last feature is that right within the app, they have a paper trading account. What is paper trading? Paper trading is essentially like fantasy baseball is to baseball, paper trading is to stock investing. It is a totally free mock trading system, but it uses all of the same charts. It uses all the same information in the same platform, but you don't pay any money and you don't receive any money, of course, with the stocks. However, because it is a brand new platform and they are trying to attract more people, they have contests every single week where if you play in these paper trading contests and you make, fake money, they'll pay you real money. So it's like prizes. So even if you don't want to actually invest your real money, you can play the stock market game with the paper trading and actually even have a chance to win real money. I cannot think of a better opportunity than that to get into learning about stock trading, because it's totally risk-free. You're not putting up a penny. Literally, you're not risking a penny. And if you do well, you win some real money, which is phenomenal. But in my opinion, the real critical thing there is not the small amount of money that you'll win from playing this stock trading game. It's really that you're going to learn how to use the stock market and how to invest, and that will help you on your journey to investing real money and securing your future a little bit better, and as I always say, making a little bit of extra money on your own terms. And that is worth far more than any free little bit of money or even the free stocks. That makes Webull worth it to me 100%. Now, before we end our discussion on why Webull is so great, I bet there are a lot of you at home that are still saying, yeah, but can I trust it? Is it safe? And I remember from some of the comments in my previous video where I first introduced Webull to you guys, some people said, it looks like a great app, but I'm not putting my social security number in there. And by the way, I don't blame any of you for being suspicious or being skeptical. I think that that's actually the right attitude to take. However, based on my understanding, I've read a lot about this company from independent news sources. It is registered with the SEC, so the Securities and Exchange Commission. It is totally registered just like every other trading platform. It uses Apex Clearinghouse, which is the same clearinghouse that Robinhood uses and many other companies use as well. And it has various insurances that every other type of trading platform that's required by the government has. So it is an absolute legitimate platform. You do not have to worry that it's some kind of scam fly-by-night operation. It is a legitimate platform that, as far as I can tell, is 100% above board and really awesome. And I've put my money where my mouth is. I've put money into my account there. I actually just put $2,000 to start off, and I'm gonna make a video on showing you what I invest my first $2,000 in. And at this point, it's also good to mention that I am not a registered financial advisor or anything. I'm just a regular guy that has fortunately made a nice little bit of money through my hustling with coins and precious metals, through other businesses, my entrepreneurial pursuits, which I haven't really told you all about, and of course in the stock market. So I'm a regular guy that has done well. So the advice I'm giving you is not actually advice. It's just sort of telling you my story and hoping that you can learn from it. But again, I am not a registered financial advisor, and therefore I am not giving you official advice. So take it with a grain of salt. That's my disclaimer, right? So I really do encourage you guys all to look into Webull. Whether you decide to sign up or not, you definitely owe it to yourselves to at least take a look. Click on the link. I don't get anything for you guys just clicking the link. I get only the stocks that you get if you sign up as well. But click on the link and read about it at least, because it is absolutely worth your time and it could be a huge opportunity for you, because I know it's a big opportunity for me. So those are sort of the ins and outs of Webull, and I would love to hear what you guys think of Webull. So after you guys have checked it out, after you guys have used it, let me know what you like about it, and of course also what you don't like about it. To be totally frank, I haven't found anything that I don't like about it yet, but I'm sure that there are things. Nothing's perfect. So hit me up in the comments below after you've checked it out. Let me know what you like about it. Let me know what you don't like about it. And of course, let me know what stocks you got. I would love to know which stocks you guys get for free. And because when you guys get free stocks, I do as well, I'm gonna make a future video letting you know what I got too. So that'll be a lot of fun. Now, in addition to sort of making this announcement about how awesome Webull is, I also have another thing that I want to announce. Over the past 6 months or so in particular, I've been getting a lot of comments, DMs on Instagram, and emails asking me whether or not I have a Patreon account. And if I don't, why don't I have one? Now, of course, I know that I give away a lot for free on my videos. I make videos every single week, often at my own expense, like my series on grab bags. As you well know, that's flushing money right down the toilet, and it's really for you guys. And I do it because I love it. It has no expectation of you guys paying me or anything like that. But the reality is camera equipment is expensive. I've upgraded a lot. I've got new cameras, I've got new lights, I'm getting new microphones, and all sorts of stuff like that is expensive. And it would be nice to have some financial support as well on these videos. I do make some money from Google AdSense, and I sometimes get sponsors, but the reality is it's not that much money. So I opened a Patreon, and if anybody out there in the Silverpicker Squad wants to support me, I would be absolutely beyond grateful, but I also have something to offer for it. I decided that I am going to make an invite-only community on Discord. Discord is a chat platform that allows you to have an invite-only exclusive group, and I created the Silverpicker Squad Discord. And my vision for this Discord is a place for people like you, people in the Silverpicker Squad, to come together and talk to me directly, asking me questions about coins, about precious metals, about investing, about hustles, about making money on your own terms, etc., and just how to get a little bit more ahead financially. And better than that, because it is going to be a community, all of you will be there for each other to answer questions, give advice, give tips, tell people about where they can get good deals on precious metals, where there's freebie opportunities, where they can get free stocks, where they can get free gold backs. It's kind of like what I do in my videos, but in this case, it would be kind of a small, tight-knit community where you'll have direct access to me and to each other. And that's something that I just want to give back to you guys who decide to support me financially and help me continue to make videos and to even raise the level of my videos to make better and better stuff. If you decide that you want to support me on Patreon, I would absolutely be to the moon appreciative, but you are not obligated or in any way whatsoever. But if you're not interested in that and you don't want to support me in that way, that is totally fine. Click on the link below for Webull, get your 2 free stocks, and even if you want to close the account after that, sell the stocks and just take the free money, you should definitely do that. So anyway, I've rambled on quite long enough. I really hope that you guys benefit from this video. I hope you learned from it, and I've got a lot more great stuff coming down the pike. So stay tuned, and until next time, Silverpicker out.